Have you ever pondered over common health issues and wondered how natural remedies can help? Today, we delve into the world of a wonder plant that's been cherished for centuries for its health benefits, aloe vera. More specifically, we're exploring the magic potion that is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a succulent plant species of the genus Aloe, known for its healing properties. But when you extract its juice, you get a cocktail of nutrients that provide an array of health benefits. First, aloe vera juice is a storehouse of vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are antioxidants that neutralize free radicals in the body. It also contains vitamin B12, folic acid, and choline. It carries minerals such as calcium, copper, selenium, chromium, manganese, magnesium, potassium, sodium, and zinc. Talk about a nutrient powerhouse. Second, aloe vera juice is a fantastic detoxifier. Thanks to its natural texture, it can help cleanse the digestive system and liver, flushing out toxins from the body. It's like having your internal car wash. Third, for those who have trouble with heartburn, aloe vera juice can provide relief. It has compounds that control secretion of acid in your stomach. The effects have even been shown to combat gastric ulcers and keep them from getting larger. Fourth, aloe vera juice can help maintain healthy hydration. The plant thrives in arid environments and stores water in its leaves. This water-packed juice keeps you hydrated, which is vital for your body's overall function. Fifth, aloe vera juice is a friend to those with diabetes. Studies have suggested that aloe vera juice can help improve blood glucose levels and may be useful in treating type 2 diabetes. Finally, it's a beauty elixir too. Aloe vera juice aids in keeping your skin and hair hydrated, promoting a healthy glow and lustrous locks. It's a beauty secret that's been passed down through generations. In summary, aloe vera juice is a potent health-boosting beverage. It's a nutrient-dense, detoxifying, heartburn relieving, hydrating, blood sugar regulating, beauty-enhancing wonder. So, next time health woes knock at your door, remember the humble aloe vera plant and its magical juice. It's a natural remedy that's been trusted for centuries, and it's ready to make a difference in your health journey. A swig of aloe vera juice may just be that wellness boost your body craves. Subscribe to Healthcare Biodiversity